welcome back to my channel. And well, today I thought, why not take my bike for a cleaning? And long before this, I actually have been to one of the automatic wash, which was there here in Hyderabad. And so I thought I'd probably get my bike there, and I was so excited to go get my bike serviced, not serviced, but then water washed with this automatic wash. But then, as you'll see throughout the video, what actually happened. As I reached, as you can see, I gave them the bike and they loaded the bike into the machine. And initially, he started putting on the diesel onto the chain, diesel washing the chain basically. So I was thinking, fine. I'm sure after that things would go fine. Like as I thought, like it would be more or less would be an automatic wash. And until this point of time, from here, if you see, I was like, what the? Why is he washing with the hand and not the machine? And then slowly I waited more, and then he kept washing. I was like, okay, I just got screwed, I guess. And then he switches on the machine just to foam the bike. It doesn't make any sense. Maybe are they doing it for the sake of calling it an automatic machine? I don't know. But I guess I'm sure they can actually get a foam machine attached to the sprayer and just spray the shit out of the bike. I don't understand why are they using the machine to foam the bike and using the water to spray the bike. Anyways, this was my disaster story which happened with my wash. So I thought I'll share this story with you guys. By the way, if you wanna see the video which I actually shot in 2014 when I had my R5 and I took it for the automatic wash, which that was the exact imagination what I had when I went to this service again. If you would like to check that video, I would put the link in the description and you can go ahead and check that video out if you would like to. Do let me know your comments and do let me know your thoughts on this video by commenting down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.